Good evening, dear students. I'm Guru Mishra, Faculty of Mathematics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Welcome to the career counseling session for mathematics. Now, after you're done with the grade 10, you might be wondering which stream should I choose, whether science or humanities or commerce. So, whatever you choose, let me tell you, maths is one of the most important subjects. So I hope by the end of the session, you are able to grasp the concept that why maths is important. So let us begin with the session. To begin with, I have divided the career options into two major parts. First of all, talent-based career options and education-based career options. Now, what are talent-based career options? Suppose you want to make a career in dancing or in singing or as an artist, as an actor, as a painter or something like that. So, these are the options, career options that are based completely on your talent. For example, even a YouTuber these days is a completely talent-based option. Next, most of you will make career which is education-based. So let us begin with the topic. Now the question arises, why mathematics? So I will let you know that not only in your paper of mathematics, but you are going to use your mathematical skills also when in real life situations. I have divided the problems in 5 parts. First of all, theoretical. Well, you write a paper, you do some scientific calculations and you use some of the equations. This is what come in theoretical problem. Next, practical. Well, best example is you go out, you buy some things. You need to know the math. Some common banking terms like loans, EMIs, exercising, training, etc. All these need math. Process of thinking. When you try to solve a problem, you try to reason it and you reach on some proof. There comes the process of thinking. A language. Well, because mathematics is same all over the world, it acts as a universal language. A phrase or formula it can have different languages, but it has the same proof. It has the same formula to use. So, it is a common language. As an art, well, by the end of the session, you will come to know how is it known as an art also. Now here is a slide that depicts some of the most popular mathematicians of India. Were they good enough? No, they were the best in their field because mathematics was in their heart and in their soul. Now, if you have chosen science or commerce or humanities, but you have chosen maths with it, then some of the career open up for you are, you could be a data scientist, you could be an actuarian, you could be a mathematician, you could be a statistician, etc. That is, you are having applied mathematics with humanities or commerce. And when you have science and maths, many of the career options open up for you. Those could be of engineering, of being a physicist, economist, meteorologist, astronomer, statistician, mathematician, etc. So some of the career options I will be discussing here. Further, I will also be discussing some of the rare career options that you can choose if you are having mathematics with science. First of all, why to choose mathematics at all? Well, if you are one of those who loves the idea of math and science but is not sure what career to go for, good news is math with science open a large number of doors for career opportunities. And employers all over the world are looking for those students who are good at problem solving. They are good even with real world problems. Mathematics give you that edge where you could be creative and you have analytical skills. This is what the employers desire in their students or in their candidates. Mathematics give you that edge. You are able to understand the world better. It is needed in almost all the career these days. And most of all, as told before, it is a universal language. Now, let us talk about mathematics in daily life. So, do we really use mathematics in daily life? I want to go out, I want to buy something. I'm dealing with money. Is it maths? Yes, I need to manage my money. That is mathematics. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. What use does mathematics has to her? Okay, well, she's using quantities. There comes numbers. So she is also using mathematics. I am redecorating my room. I need carpet. But before buying a carpet, I need to know the dimensions of my room so that whatever carpet I buy suits my room. Dimensions, there I need mathematics. Well, I am traveling from Jaipur to Ajmer. I traveled the distance in 2 hours, but my friend traveled it in 1.5 hours. So where was the difference when the distance was same? It was in speeds. Is there any mathematics? Yes, speed, numbers, mathematics again. So basically you are surrounded by mathematics. Whether you know it or not, you are using it daily. Now, let us discuss some career options that you can have while having science and mathematics. Some of the most career options are on your screen, as you can see: engineering, architecture, aviation or defense services. Then you can go for physical sciences, ethical hacking, etc. You can choose to work with private sector, become an educator, work with high-end companies, work in fields, or have a white-collar job. You can also work with government sectors. For example, having a job in railways or having a job with the oil companies and all. These are some government sector jobs. Next, in the next slides, I would be discussing some of those jobs which are really uncommon, but you can pursue them easily if you are having a science math degree. So first of all, let us begin with a data scientist. So who is a data scientist and what basically is data science? Data science is a field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, etc. to take knowledge from structured or non-structured data and use it for the benefit of the company to decide the best choice of action in future for them. How can you become a data scientist? You need to earn a bachelor's degree in IT or in computer science, math or in physics. Then you need a master's degree in data of a related field, and then you are ready to go. Next is machine learning expert. So what am I going to learn here? Am I going to learn how to build a machine or how to work with the machines? No. As the slide says, you are going to learn here, or you are going to pursue a career in machine learning. So you are going to learn about computer algorithms which improve themselves through multiple iterations. So basically it is a set of algorithms or with knowledge of the software that you will be working with. What do you basically need to become a machine learning expert? You need a basic degree in computer with the knowledge of statistics. Here comes the role of mathematics. You need knowledge of Python also. And then you can go on to complete your exploratory data analysis project. So what do machine learning do to us? Machine learning and artificial intelligence are solving many problems, and they find uses in retail, in social media, logistics, healthcare, security, and many other industries. So it is one of the most sought after career option. Next is the blockchain developer. Now, who are blockchain developers? What do they do? Blockchain developers enable secure digital transactions by creating systems to record and store blockchain data in a way that prevents changes or hacks. They design secure technologies basically. So, how can I become a blockchain developer? Well, you need to have a basic bachelor's degree in information security or in computer science. You need to have a course in coding as well. So what blockchain developers are doing? They are basically, from cryptocurrencies to logistics, blockchain developers are finding uses in multiple industries, and it is a technology of the future. Having mathematics as a subject, you can become a blockchain developer and help companies in leveraging this technology for creating better solutions. Now, if you are really fascinated with the outer world or space, space tech is the future for you. This is comparatively a new career option where you need to have a degree in mechanical engineering as well as in space sciences. Where do I use math here? Well, you will use it for building machines and other tools for scientists. How do I become one? Many deemed universities are available to offer space technology courses for qualified students. It's a highly specialized field. To practice in the space tech industry, you would ideally need a degree in space sciences and mechanical engineering. Next, we move on to cryptographers. Now, who are cryptographers? Cryptographers secure computer and information technology systems by creating algorithms and ciphers to encrypt data. They often also carry out the duties of a cryptanalyst, deciphering algorithms and cipher text to decrypt information. That is, basically, in simple terms, they offer cyber security to firms. How do I become a cryptographer? You need the foundational knowledge and skills in mathematics and programming languages. Also, you need a bachelor degrees in computer science to become a cryptographer. In the next slide, we talk about the colleges that you can go for higher education. For engineering, the best options are IITs and NITs. Also, many state government and private colleges provide engineering degree. Exam to be cleared is IIT JEE. Then in different states, there are different engineering exams. Also, some of the deemed universities take their own exams for engineering courses. Then you can opt for science and mathematics course in top graduation colleges. Some of the best colleges for science and math graduation are Loyola College, St. Stephen College, Tata Institute, Indian Statistical Institutes, etc. For admission to the courses, most of the institutes and universities in the country, they follow a merit-based admission process. That means according to the percentage that you get in your class 12, you can get admission in most of the graduation colleges. Again, some of the deemed universities, they take their own test, and according to that paper or that test, they prepare a merit list. For most of the courses, you simply need a bachelor's degree, and after that you can apply for the specialization degrees, for example, to become a data scientist. the bachelor's degree definitely needs to be in science and mathematics. Now let us talk about the golden ratio, that is phi. That is 1.618. Where is it used? Everywhere. Where is it present? In the complete nature. For example, it's there in art, geometry, design, theology, life, cosmology, beauty, and of course mathematics. What this ratio basically is, for example, take the length right from your shoulder to the tip of your finger and then divide it from the ratio, that is from the number from your elbow to the tip of your fingers. The ratio that you get is phi, that is 1.618. It is found in the leaves of the flowers. It is found in the design of some of the elements of the nature. So this is what mathematics is. It is all around us. So this was all for this session, children. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay safe.